How to make bot on Landbot. So first go to Landbot and then just click on bot builder here, and then just click on build a chatbot here at the top right. Then from here you can just click on any platform that you want to build a bot in. So let's say I'm going to build a bot for WhatsApp, so just click on WhatsApp, and then you can choose any of the options here. So I'll just use template since it's easier, and then select any of the templates here that you want to use. So let's say I want to use the FAQ template, so just click on use this, and there you go. Now you've just built your own FAQ bot. So you can just customize this as well if you want. You can see the settings here. You can add any new blocks here as well. And then let's say you're done customizing all of this, you can just click on test this bot if you want to test it out. And then if you're done testing it, you can just click on publish and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.